Welcome to Eagle Research Pro Tips. Today, we will be providing pro tips for your Aqua Cure cooling fan. You will need fluid film and a hook to complete this maintenance portion. Insert the red hose into the cap and slightly bend the end as shown. Do not remove the housing. Always unplug the machine before starting any maintenance. If you have the AC60 fan cover, remove the outer cover and filter before beginning. Insert the hook through the fan cover and get one of the fins. Pull the fin slightly. This will open a space where the motor is. Align the fluid film applicator, or hose, to the opened area and add quick burst of fluid on each side of the fan. Do not put too much on the fan or it will be spun out and leave oil inside the fan casing. When you're finished the application, plug your Aqua Cure back in and turn it on. The fan will spin and will equally distribute the oil. This part of the video will show what it looks like from the inside. Do not remove the housing of your machine. It is not necessary. The hook holds the fin. Feed the fluid film applicator into the slot. Use quick spurts. Oops. Too much fluid film has been applied. After turning your fan on, the oil will cast off onto the fan casing. Use a cotton swab to clean the AC50. A smaller felt tip cleaner is needed for the AC60. This is not shown in the video. Stay tuned for more Eagle Research Pro Tips.